Meaning of demur.
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 Demur. The word demur can be used as a verb or a noun. As a verb, it means to object or raise concerns about something, usually in a hesitant or cautious manner. As a noun, it refers to the act of objecting or raising concerns. In either case, the result of demurring is a pause or delay in proceeding with a particular action or decision until the concerns or objections have been addressed or resolved. This can sometimes lead to negotiations or compromises in order to reach an agreement or understanding.